biggity back, y'all. Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello. If you are not new here, then of course it is just welcome back. I'm gonna yell a little bit because I think sometimes when I'm in the car and I'm driving, it's hard to hear me. I'm so sorry if you're wearing headphones. I'm sorry. Rolling the intro. Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you do not know me, again, my name is Kelsi. I am a YouTube content creator here in the VSG, true crime, vlogging, all of the things person. And I am here to talk to you today about what I'm doing, what I do on a weekend, or what I do on just a time when I have time. Does that make sense? Can you guys see my eyes? Do you want to see my eyes? Does it even matter? So it is finally getting to a point here in Alabama where things are bearable, where the weather is still kind of chilly, but as the day progresses, it gets up to the 60s and 70s. So it starts in like the 40s and then progresses to like the 60s and 70s. So perfect hiking weather. Where I live at is very rural, and there are lots of beautiful trails and different areas that you can explore. And your girl is a explorer, honey. I explores all of the things. So my husband works today, so I'm gonna go out and do a trail. And today it's not gonna be very strenuous. It takes about an hour to do this trail. Nothing, you know, too off-road, nothing too, you know, whatever. Typically I'll have someone with me, like my best friend or my son or my brothers or whatever, my husband. Today it didn't work out that way. And that's okay, because your girl gonna get out here regardless, because as I'm not a gym rat. I've never been a gym rat. It's just not me. So one of the ways that I've been able to really maximize my cardio, my exercise, my muscle building and toning is hiking. And hiking is such a wonderful way to get a full body workout and get out and see the world. And I'm just going to be honest with you. At 340 some odd pounds, I was not out here hiking. There would have been no way that I can do the things that I do now. It wasn't happening. So now that I can do it, I want to get out as often as I can and see the world as many times as I can. Last year, as I mentioned, I went to the Smokies for the first time in life, and we hiked a couple of trails out there, y'all. It was absolutely, I mean, it is beautiful out there. It is absolutely breathtakingly beautiful. And I had such a good time last year that we're going back this year. It'll be later in the year, because I really want to take in all of that beautiful fall foliage. And I just feel like that's just my aesthetic, you know. So anyways, we're gonna go and we're gonna do a nice little cute trail today. And I'm gonna take you guys with me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in a minute when I get to where I'm going, boo. Oh yeah, so in previous videos where I've mentioned that I am out hiking or that I'm out doing things like this, especially alone, I get comments and emails and just, you know, just overall concern from you guys about, you know, me being by myself and to be careful. Abso-freaking-lutely. I had a company send me over this selfie tripod, okay? Y'all, she is solid. And I, of course, have some mace. I hit you one good time over the head with this. Baby, you want to go? You want to go? No, okay. But no, you guys, I take my safety very seriously. I take, you know, what I'm out here doing very seriously. I am very aware of my surroundings, and I go to areas where there are typically other hikers. I don't like overly populated areas, but I do go to areas where there are other people hiking. For the most part, there have been a couple of times where I have, you know, hiked a couple of more. He had on a kilt. There are more or less people present, and that's okay, because you're able to take in the full scenery and you're able to really get a good feel of the area. I'm just very careful, and I am very aware of my surroundings. And I got good old Rusty Dusty Trusty right here. I mean, try. Am I scaring anybody but myself? Probably not. It's okay. The other drivers probably think something's wrong. And also my husband, you know, we share location, so he knows where I am. I tell him, hey, I'm out here on such and such trail. You know, if you don't hear from me, or if you don't, you know, see anything, or if you don't see any movement, you need to come check on me, or send someone to check on me. So there is a just like a blanket understanding, and you know, just being cognizant and aware of my surroundings. So I'm gonna get out and head out. Got my water, got my things, got all of the things. So yeah, I will see you guys in a minute.
First time that I saw you, singing Hotel California, swinging your legs off a tailgate, was like, damn, who's that girl right there? We've been nothing but falling, day hanging, late night calling. Now I know about you, you know about me, ain't it pretty clear we were meant to be? Slow walking down the aisle, wearing our rings. Sweet.
I am out here. It's peaceful, it's quiet. There's a lot of people here today. I am doing the Smoke Rise Trail, equipped with a backpack and my walking sticks, or my trekking sticks. This one is supposed to be a moderate trail, so we'll see, because sometimes these ratings on the All Trails app that I use can be kind of misleading. This is my second trail since the weather has cleared, so, but it can't be too bad, because look, the little baby out here, but it can't be too bad. I'm gonna show you guys some scenery.
Pillow talking, wearing nothing but sheets. Let's turn these two hearts into one. Tie the knot on this love. Call it getting hit, settling down, or whatever you want. But let's get tangled up. Let's get tangled up. I want all your Sunday drives, your good morning baby eyes from row seat to...
So I didn't think I was gonna have to take out my trekkers this early, but this trail so far has been a lot of rocky terrain and a lot of downgrade. So just to be on the safe side, I went ahead and took them out so that I can have a little bit of good footing when going down. But yeah, what's crazy is even if there are a lot of people in an area, y'all, them squirrels be scaring the bejesus out of me. Even if there is like a lot of people in the area, you don't really see that many people. Like typically you'll see it at the trailhead or at like the rendezvous point, but it's interesting. Interesting to say the least.
Whole life be 50 years looking back. We can get that little church in your hometown.
I popped out my tripod to see if it will give me a little bit more freedom to move around here. Haven't really gotten settled just yet, but definitely love being able to have a little bit more range instead of being so close. So yeah, definitely feeling it. So I'm figuring that this hike is going to be majority uphill or elevated on the way back up, which is fine. I prefer an elevated up than a down, or that made no sense. I prefer to go up coming back in than going down, if that makes any sense. But I'm gonna give you guys some scenery. Hang on, take a look at that. It is beautiful out here. Somebody's flying a kite up there. I don't know if you guys can see it. See it? It's right there. Or it looks like it's, I wonder if they're flying or if it's stuck in a tree. I don't see anybody. Let me zoom in a bit. something's there. I don't know if there's anybody there. We have reached a beautiful area of the trail. Just wanted to show you guys that. Came in contact with a lot of people just down here on this part. It's interesting. About 7 people. But you can probably see them. But yeah, it's a beautiful, beautiful day. I wish the weather was like this here year round, but those who are from Alabama know that this is the honeymoon before hell takes over. So this trail is it's supposed to be an hour and 30 minutes long. And so yesterday, okay, so another reason I'm out here. Yesterday, my husband picked me up, y'all. When I say picked me up, he picked me up. Like, you know how they get ready to carry the woman over the threshold of the new home? Because I told him, I was like, you're not strong enough to pick me up. But he's like, what? I'm not strong enough to pick you up. And he picks me up. And he hoists me. But either between me fighting him because I was scared to fall or whatever, I have like pulled some kind of muscle in my butt cheek. So, yeah. I don't know. So, with me, if I injure myself like that, I have to get out and move. Oh, and I hiked yesterday also, which exacerbated the injury. So, I have to get out and move and really do some stuff, because if not, it is not a good look for me. So, yeah. But this is what a typical hike looks like for me, you guys. I enjoy this so much. The world is such a beautiful place, and I'm gonna take a stop here in about maybe 20 minutes, eat a little lunch, do some meditation, you know, the whole 9. Whew. But yeah, this is a good trail. It's really nice. I am hiking. This is probably one of my favorite parts of a hike. Any type of body of water, any type of moving water, I love it. You actually have to cross here, but luckily I have on slip-proof hiking boots. When I first started hiking, y'all, I didn't know anything about being out here and being safe and being just respective of moving bodies of water. And typically underneath the water, the rocks are slippery. Can't tell you the number of times I like almost fell and died out here. But yeah, it's not rushing, but I really love it. It's beautiful.
You and your mama always talk about thinking a couple hundred folks, you and me, locking it down, baby, we could be slow walking down the aisle, wearing our rings, sweet pillow talking, wearing nothing but sheets. Let's turn these 2 hearts into one, tie the knot on this love, call it getting hit, settling down, or whatever you want, but let's get tangled up, yeah, but let's get tangled up.
I've been walking about another 30 minutes. Tell you, this is a house. This is so cool. Like, I would love to have my house being 30 feet away from a trail. I think that's cool. Still it's pretty chill right now. Whew. Beautiful trail, beautiful day.
I'm not too sure on much, but I swear my life on us. I'm not too sure of much, but I swear I see us slow walking down the aisle.
Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end my video here because I literally have 5% battery left and I'm in the middle of the woods. I hope you guys enjoyed this walk along, hike along video with me today. If you like this video and you want to see more content like this, hit that subscribe button, become a member of my channel. I would love to have you here. You can also head over to Facebook at Facebook One Bite at a Time. It is a group that I have started that is a safe place to talk about hard things. I love you guys to the moon and back. And remember, be good to each other, but most importantly, be good to yourself. I'll see you later. Bye. Let's get tangled up.
50 years looking back, we can get that little church in your hometown you and your mama always talk about. Think a couple hundred folks, you and me, locking it down, baby, we could be slow walking down the aisle, wearing our rings, sweet pillow talking, wearing nothing but sheets. Let's turn these two hearts into one, tie the knot on this love, call it getting hitched, settling down, or whatever you want. But let's get tangled up